One.
We're gonna forge the Delaware again because I threw the cone over there for a video and Vanessa didn't even get you didn't even get it on the thing.
Yeah, I'm getting
talk,
you.
Right? You can talk, right?
Yeah, I'm getting you. So the cone's right there, and he's basically throwing rocks into the water.
I was gonna make a crudes video, and it was supposed to be me kicking the thing across the.
Yeah, so he's putting rocks in here so he can step on them.
I didn't think that in the process of me kicking rocks across the river, that I would, kick the thing across the river.
But
Forging this.
okay. Should this be a good idea for me to come with you?
Probably not.
Okay.
Can you give me some more of that?
Yep, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so Oliver. There's a little rock.
I need big rocks.
Well, there.
We're gonna get these far.
Oh, this is. That wasn't far. But you broke it in half.
Are you gonna film this?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Oh, you're still going?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're at 1 minute and 30 seconds. Wow, you're strong.
Called a rock. Rhymes with grug. Oh, that might work.
Will it?
It's draining, so eventually it's gonna call it here. But we need time. We're gonna go fast.
Bigger! Oh, wow. There's a Sonic cup out there.
There's a cone out there, too.
Yeah, the cone's just sitting there in that big...
That should work.
Okay. Now, walk. Well, how about you get more rocks?
No, I need more rocks.
Ooh! Yeah, get this one. Get this one. Get that one. Oliver. Get this one. Get that one.
What's this?
That hit the cone.
I didn't hit next to the cone. If I can hit next to the cone, then I can hit the cone.
Big rocks. So we're basically
I need a long stick.
oh, stick. Come back.
No, bring one to me.
Bruh, there's no sticks. Oh, yes there is. I'm so dumb. Just so you know, I'm dumb.
It's called a stick. Not a grug.
But
Just bring me a stick, preferably with this on the end.
what on the end?
I don't care.
There's no stick.
It's just we gotta get this cone back.
Why did you kick it in the first place?
Because I thought it would be funny, but you didn't even get it on the video.
But we'll do it again. And we'll keep the rocks there.
We're not doing it again. And if we do, it's gonna be on land.
But we did do it on land. So there's an orange cone out there, and there's an orange cone out there that he kicked for no reason.
Okay, one of these two should work.
And look,
One of these.
there's a Sonic cup out there.
I call it a retrieval.
2 shopping carts.
Rhymes with grug.
What?
Call it a retrieval. Rhymes with grug.
How does retrieval rhyme with rug?
Grug, not rug.
You said rug. Oh, Oliver, we're at 5 minutes.
Okay. I need more sticks.
How about rocks? Okay. Oh,
Yes,
we got it.
I got it. Call retrieval. Runs with grug.
You said rug.
No,
How-
I said grug.
Grug?
Grug.
Oh. I thought you-
Grug.
Oh.
Grug. All right, let's dip.
Dip what?
Let's get out.
Okay, I'm gonna film getting out too.
Slab.
I'm gonna film getting out too, okay?
I mean, we got a video.
Wait! I gotta film you. You got stuff on your butt.
That's what I imagined. But it doesn't matter because I'm gonna get out of these clothes.
I'm gonna take a nice hot bath. Or shower.
Cold shower.
You want cold?
No, I'm hot right now. But when I get home, I'm gonna take a cold shower.
Okay, can you help me? Bruh. You dropped the evidence.
Get out there, and then I've got another video idea.
You dropped the evidence!
Okay, start.